right, for this example 5, they are asking, actually first they're telling you that these circles are identical in shape and size. So that means all the measurements are going to be equal to each other. In this case, they're asking you what is the area of each circle. So the areas are going to be the same, so we really only have to solve this once. Well, the area of a circle formula is pi r squared. Let's put that in front. Area is pi r squared. So we're going to use this formula to solve to find the area. However, you'll notice that for the radius, we have a formula, or an expression, sorry. So first we have to do is solve for x in order to get the measurement of our radius so we can plug it in right here in our formula. In this case, we can compare these two circles. We know that the diameter of this circle is 4x, and we know that the radius is x plus 2. Well, if I cut this in half, then I know that I have the radius for this one. Well, half of 4x would just be 2x. So now I can set this radius equal to this radius and solve for the x. So I can say x plus 2 equals 2x. Now you just rearrange and solve for x. So I'm going to move the x to the other side. That way I'm dealing with positive x's. Those are canceled. I'm left with 2 equals 2 minus, remember there's an imaginary 1, so 2 minus 1x would be 1x. Do I have to write the 1? No. So I can just flip-flop this for my answer. So the radius, or the x in this equation is worth 2. So now to find the radius, I just plug it in to either equation, actually. And I know that my radius is x plus 2, so that's saying 2 plus 2 radius, which equals 4. So now I just take this 4 and I plug it in where the r is to get the area of each circle. So the area is pi times 4 squared. Okay, well, what's 4 squared? 4 times 4 is 16 times pi, right? So is one of the options 16 pi? There you go. So the answer to this problem is C. Let me know if you have any questions.